Welcome! In front of me I have RugGear RG655, and today I'll show you how simply you can remove tempered glass from your screen. So let's start from the bottom section of the phone, and let's put your fingernail under the tempered glass from one of the edge, then move it to the second edge, and then start to pushing it forward. Do it slowly, don't break the glass. And as you can see, after a few moments it's removed. It was very simple, and I hope that I helped you. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.